Hello, I am Dr. Sigar Kanti. In this video, we write Python program for Newton-Raphson method. Newton-Raphson method is finding the root of an equation. If y equal to f of x is a function, and let me take xn is the nth approximated value of the root of the equation, then n plus 1th approximation is given by this formula, that is xn plus 1 equal to xn minus f of xn divided by f dash of xn. So initially if I take say x0, x0 is the initial value, initial approximation, then we can find out x1. x1 is equal to x0 minus f of x0 divided by f dash of x0. Then we can find out x2 is equal to x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash of x1. Then x3 is equal to x2 minus f of x2 divided by f dash of x2. So using this formula, we can find out the root of the equation. So we have to choose that initial approximation nearer to the root of the equation. Okay, that is if we take that x0 value far away from the root, then that will not converge, it will diverge. So here, to write the program, what I do is first I will define the function. So here I am defining def fx return. I am considering this equation here, x cube minus 3x plus 1 equal to 0. And as in this formula, we need a dash of x, that its derivative is required. Therefore, I will write the derivative here and I will define another function. I will name this as df f dash. That is, for f dash, I am writing fd of x. I will write the differentiation of this. That is 3x square minus 3. 3x square minus 3. This is your f dash of x and this is your f of x. So I have to give the initial value. So that means x naught. The x naught is equal to float input, enter the initial approximation for x. And then we have to input the number of iterations n. It is an integer. Int input, enter the number of iterations. Then I will go for the for loop here. For I in range 1 to n plus 1, I take the value 1 to n. That is 1 less than this number. Starting with 1, ending with 1 less than this. I take the value 1 to n. Then I will find out x1 is equal to, using this formula, x naught minus f of x naught divided by fd of x naught. Then I will print this value. Okay. Print the ith approximation is around x1 comma 4. Then after this printing, I have to change this x naught here. So here again, while coming here, I have to use in place of x naught. I will use x1 here. Then I will find the fresh x1. So what I do here is I will take here uh, again x naught is equal to x1. Okay. So that is here. This x1 will be used here to find the fresh x1. Okay. This is the program. Let me go to the program. So here I have to assign x naught equal to x1. Okay. So Newton-Raphson method, df of x return x cube minus 3x plus 1. Def f of x fd of x is equal to return derivative of this 3x square minus 3 x naught float input, enter the initial approximation. N is the number of iterations. It is an integer. Int input, enter number of iterations. I will go for the for loop here. I in range 1 to n plus 1. x1. I am finding x1 here. First approximation. x naught minus f of x naught divided by f dash of x naught. Then I will print this x1 value. Okay, x1 value. Then what I do is I will give one equation here, an assignment statement here, x naught equal to x1. That is x1, the fresh x1 will be placed in the name of x naught, and that x1 is used here. Then we get the next value, that means x2 here. Okay, if I run this program, enter the initial approximation. Let me take, the root lies between say 1 and 2. Let me take 1.5. 1.5. Okay. Number of iterations is 6. Enter. So these are the values. First approximation 1.5333. Sixth approximation is 1.532. This is converged here only from the second step itself here. See, second approximation 1.5321, and the next are also 1.5321. And here if we change this one, instead of 1.5, if I give say 1, it may take more iterations. 1, number of iterations 6. Yeah, this is I think somewhere the denominator I am getting 0. Okay, I'll go for say 2, 2, 6. These are the values here. And similarly, by defining the name of the function, also we can find the roots. Here I'll make this comment line, comment block. I'll close here, and so here I have to change that x naught equal to x1. I am defining a function here. I have given name as nr, Newton-Raphson, therefore I have given nr. This is the initial approximation x naught, and this is the number of iterations. Defining the function df f of x colon return x cube minus 3x plus 1. And we define one more function, that's this derivative df fd of x. I am giving the name as fd. You can give any name here. You can do df fd or diff x, anything you can give here. So I have given fd of x, return its derivative x cube minus 3x plus 1 derivative is 3x square minus 3. And then I am using the formula. The remaining procedure is same. For I in range 1 to n plus 1, x1 is given by x naught minus f of x naught divided by fd of x naught. Printing the value here, okay, and assigning x naught to the fresh x value here. Running this program. So the my name is nr here. Nr, this is the initial approximation, and this is the number of iterations. Running this program. nr, initial approximation, I will take 1.5, comma, number of iterations, say 4, okay, enter. So these are the values. nr, if we take the initial value as say 2, number of iterations is just 3, these are the values. Okay, so it is see first, second, third not same here. Here second and third are same because we have taken the value 1.5. 1.5. Now if I take NR, instead of taking a 2, if I take 1.8, comma, again 3 iterations, enter. Again this is not converged. I will make 4 iterations. I think it is converted in the fourth step. Okay. Thank you. I'll stop here.